2699 Ivory Hill Street. We are in Willow Springs. We are in Summerlin, which is a great community in Las Vegas.
This is a single-story home, 2,800 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths.
It has a great backyard. You're absolutely going to love it, so we're going to jump right in.
We are at 2699 Ivory Hill Street. We are in Summerlin, Las Vegas. It is so pretty here. We are in a community here that is 2-story and 1-story. This community is so quiet. We've been here for a few minutes and it is super nice. This property is about 5 minutes from downtown Summerlin. There's lots of stores, restaurants, shopping. They have a farmer's market there as well, which is really nice. And we're about 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes from the airport, depending on the time you go. So it's a great location, 5 minutes from the freeway too as well. This property is 2,815 square feet. It does have 4 bedrooms. What I like about this property, it has an extra casita too. So I can't wait to show you that. And this house has a pool. So here on this side has the gate for the pool, the backyard. It's beautiful stucco here, trim, lights. Landscaping is so nice. We have some palm tree landscaping over here. Desert landscaping is what we call it. Very easy to maintain. And there's a beautiful red door. So we're gonna go right inside.
So I hope you absolutely love that pool. It's an entertainer's backyard with that built-in barbecuer, the pool, the jacuzzi, the fountain. It's great to be out there.
One of my favorite parts about the house is this open concept kitchen with the upgraded countertops and cabinets and our stainless steel appliances.
It does have that extra room outside, which is great. You can use it for an office, a gym, just an extra room. It does have the plumbing in there, so if you want to add a shower, you can.
This home located in the heart of Summerlin has an HOA of $67.
So we're going to go ahead and recap. This property has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a great entertainer's backyard, and that extra room outside. So if you want to know more about this property, go ahead and message us down below. You can also call us, text us, email us, however you want to get a hold of us. We're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.